going on, guys? It's your boy Bob with another reaction video. Today we will be watching Pinky Dog meme complication. I don't even know what that is. A lot of people heard, quit laughing, damn. But I have to tell you guys something very sad. Russell is no longer able to do it. So we have moved the reaction video. I know Audrey is so shocked in the background. But he is not able to do it anymore. So he has moved the Bob Reacts onto Bob Vlogs. Tell all your friends to go follow Bob Vlogs instead of Bob Reacts. Anyway, enough sadness. Let's get into this video. It's going to be pretty dope. Alright, come on, start it. I want that puppy nose. So cute. That hurt my ears. Oh yeah, Jeremiah, keep your phone on this too. Oh no, don't make it sad song. I like the good puppy dog. They want my puppy dogs. What are they doing? They're shooting the puppy dogs out of a helicopter. They're shooting that helicopter with the puppy dog. What'd you mean? Puppy dogs really like doing that. Hi, man. They're shooting them out of a gun. It's not funny, you know.
Wally was very good.
Quit shooting. Hey, don't copy this video.
Yeah.
That hurt my ears. You gave me a blow up again? Oh, it's not the song. No. The end of the song. No, I'm not done. Oh, guys, it's it for this video. I hit cancel. No, I don't want the screaming chicken. Alright guys, thanks for watching that video. I thought it was pretty cool and I hope you did too. If you haven't already, leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Tell all your friends, because if you do that, this face will become famous. And you want to see this face everywhere you go, don't you? You should. Dab on them haters. Ooh!